back to Kid Smart's Superhero Academy. I'm Mr. Glazebrook, and today we're going to be covering something very fun and something new. We're going to take a look at character traits and story pieces. In order to study character traits and story structure, I've asked for some help from a very close friend of mine, the Wizard Chester, who's going to send us into a storybook where we can show just a little bit more magic. This is the good Wizard Chester, and he's going to help us with a spell to send us right into a story. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Here we go. Hi, students. It looks like it worked. Here we are in our storybook. I'm going to need your help so we can figure out what kind of story we want to tell about our superhero. Are you ready to help me out? I hope so. The first thing we have to do is figure out our character's name. So right now, think of a good superhero name. I think I'll call my superhero Super Guy. Next, we have to decide what our superhero power is. Remember from last episode when we looked at different powers. Decide which one you are. Next, we have to decide what emotion our superhero has most of the time. Is he someone like the Hulk who gets really angry? Is it someone who stays really happy? Think about what emotion your superhero has. I think my guy will be really happy. Finally, we have to think of something that our hero says when he or she shows up to save the day. So, think about your phrase. I think I'll say, I am here to save the day. All right, heroes. Now that we have our superhero names, our powers, our emotions, and our catchphrases, it's time to head back to the real world and see what kind of story might take place. Follow me.
Not so fast. Now that I have you trapped, there you shall stay.